guys, what's up? And today we're gonna do a video on some Romwe clothes I bought off of Romwe, obviously. I've never actually ordered anything off of this website. I've seen a couple YouTube videos. Some people actually got some really cool items that they really liked. It was cheap and I love cheap things. I'm a cheapo. I'm on a budget. I spent about 70 bucks on all the items I bought. I bought about, can I count? Yeah, 8 items. Just because summer's coming and I kind of want like some new clothes. 70 bucks US, so it's like 85, 90 bucks Canadian. I can't do the conversion right now. I don't want to use Google. Lazy. The first thing I got was this drawstring waist plaid crop pants. It's about 10 bucks, but now that I go on the website, it's even cheaper now. I don't understand how they make money. I think it might be because of the fabric. I like them because of the plaid pattern. Goes really well with my I feel like pizza shirt. They're pretty comfortable. The bottom they do cut off there a little bit. I'll probably give these like 8 out of 10. The material feels really cheap though. I got lots of pants, by the way. I'm like, I need sweatpants. Ooh, got these drawstring waist sweatpants. They're about $7.99. Got them because I like the ends where it closes off like this. And this material is cotton, so it feels a lot softer compared to the previous pants. They're very stretchy and just very comfortable. You can do squat. These are actually pretty good. I'm surprised so far. This one doesn't come in a zippered bag. I really like this the pattern on this. Gray and then black on the back. Damn, these are so nice. Kind of reminds me of like Nike. It's not the same fabric that Nike uses. Theirs is a little bit thicker, but these pants are really nice for summer. Very light, very loose, and just fit nicely. I also got basic long white, well, long sleeve turtleneck shirt, and it looks really small, so hopefully I fit this. Here we go. This shirt is pretty tight, holy sh, but it's pretty nice. I think it's very tight on some areas, so maybe it's just me. It's very tight. I should have got a bigger size, but you know, it's hard to tell. It's pretty tight in the belly area. It's really nice with these pants actually. I like the look. Looks pretty good. I got some shorts. These are really big. Holy. I bought medium because I thought they were gonna be really small, especially from the photo and the material, but this material is really loose and this looks really big, so we're gonna try it on. They're really, you know, they're really big. I feel like an Oompa Loompa. Regrets with online shopping. You can never try things on. So I got this lace panel crisscross bow tie cami top with floral shorts. Yeah, very a mouthful there. Came in 2 parts. So it came with these really cute floral shorts and this cute top. So we're gonna try this on. The material kind of is the same as the first pants that I tried. So it's a flannel type material, which I don't really like, but hey, it looks cute. I really like this top though. This top is really nice, and I like how the back matches the shorts. Crochet lace panel bow tie back floral romper. So I'm not really good with clothes names, so it's just easier to read it off the order. Okay, so this is all like one piece, so it's a short slash floral piece that comes all in one go, but it actually fits really nicely around the armpit area. Is that a word? Armpit area. I actually really liked the blue floral short end top. That's probably my top pick, as well as for sweatpants. I love those gray ones. Such a good choice. The material's actually not too bad for what you pay for. Hopefully they last long. If not, well, there goes my money. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. You guys have a great day. We'll see you. Bye.